Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Pitt Libraries. Today we are going to be making spiced cider using a crock pot. For the cider, you want to have a half gallon, and then we will start with 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. And everything just goes straight into the pot here. And then we have 1/3 of a cup brown sugar. And that goes straight in. And I have a whole orange here that I've just put cloves in. And I didn't peel it, they're just stuck straight into the skin. So I just put that right in. And then I have a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves and a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. So that goes in as well. And then I'll give that a stir, cover it, and heat that on low for 2 to 3 hours until it's ready to serve. And then once it's ready, you can keep it warm for about up to 2 hours and just change the setting to like a warming setting. So that's how you make spiced cider. Thank you for watching.